Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to open Photoshop and start a new document in Photoshop. So I have my Photoshop app here in my dock. There are other ways to find Photoshop if you don't have it in your dock yet. In fact, let me take Photoshop out of my dock by putting it in the trash here. So I don't have Photoshop down in my dock anymore. So how can I find it? Well, if I go to my Finder window, I can go to my applications, find Photoshop, which is alphabetical, but it's called Adobe Photoshop, so it's up here at the top. And I'm going to double click on this, which is actually a folder, and inside that folder is the Photoshop app. So I can double click on that, and it opens up. Notice in the dock here that there's these lines separating different sections of the dock. These here are apps that are open but that are not permanently in my dock. If I want an app to stay permanently in my dock, I have to grab it and move it to the other side of this line somewhere, anywhere I want to here. I'll just put it right here at the end. So now if I were to close Photoshop, it's going to stay here. I know it's open because it's got this little black dot under it. So right now I've got a couple of different apps open, but the one I want to use is Photoshop. So here is what Photoshop looks like when you first open it. You may need to sign into Adobe if this is the first time you're opening Photoshop. And you can use your student ID and password to log in. And once you do that, which might take a moment, you should find yourself at this page. Here we can see any recent documents that have been opened. So for instance, I've got this shoe document here. You probably won't have any documents the first time you open it. So what we're going to do is so you can open documents by going here and clicking open. But today we're going to create a new Photoshop document. So we're going to click right here on this create new. You can also go file new here and that'll do the same thing. So I'm going to go here, click create new, and this new window opens. And this tells me some important information about my new document. I've got it set for a default Photoshop size document, which is 7 inches wide by 5 inches high. We can choose different measurement sizes. We can use pixels or centimeters, millimeters, points, or picas. We're probably going to stick to either pixels or inches. In fact, I usually like to go with pixels. So we can see that 7 by 5 converted to pixels is 2100 pixels by 1500 pixels. Resolution is specifically for printing images, which we won't be doing that much, but if you are printing, then this says that there will be 300 pixels per inch on the page. So the higher the resolution, the more pixels per inch, so the clearer the picture. We'll stick to the RGB color mode. RGB color mode stands for red, green, and blue color, so those are the 3 colors that are being used and mixed to make any color that we need. The other common color option is CMYK, and that is used for printing, which is why we're not using it, because we will be mostly working on our screens. CMYK, by the way, stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and then for some reason the K stands for black. Not totally sure why, maybe because the B might be mistaken for blue in RGB. So CMYK is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. We're going to stick to RGB. We're going to leave these other things alone for now. And we're going to click Create. And now we have a new Photoshop project. It's always a good idea early on to save your project so you know where it is and you don't lose any data. So to do that, I'm going to go up to Photoshop and then I'm going to go to File here, click File, and I'm going to say Save As. And now Adobe is asking me, do I want to save it to the cloud or to my computer? I want to save it to my computer, so I'll click on that. And I want to have more options for where I save it, so I click this little down arrow here. I get my full Finder window. And where do I want to save it? I want to save it in Desktop, in my Mr. Justin folder. And then I'm actually going to create a new folder, which will be created inside the Mr. Justin folder because it is highlighted. So I'll click New Folder. And I want to call this Photoshop. Whoops, I don't want it capitalized. Turn off caps lock. Photoshop Projects. Create. So inside Mr. Justin's folder is the Photoshop Projects folder. In the Save As section up here, I want to call this Hamburger Project because that's what we'll be doing first. And now I can hit Save. And it's asking if Photoshop can have access to my desktop folder so that it can save. And I say yes, you can, because I want to save it. And now we can see here on this tab that our file is called Hamburger Project. And now we can start creating inside of Photoshop. Remember, it's important to save regularly. So if I go over here and draw something, every once in a while I want to save, so I can go up to File and Save, and that just updates the file. You can also press Command S as a quick way to save your file every once in a while. Alright, and that is how you open up Photoshop and start a new file. Thanks for watching.